Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Beat Studio Pro and confirming battery level. Low charge limits peak output. Once powered, hold the power/Bluetooth button until the LED flashes and pair with your phone or computer. Make sure your device's volume limit or safety cap is off so the headphones can reach full range. Once paired, open the Beats app or your OS audio panel to confirm the model and firmware status. Updating firmware now prevents control glitches later. You'll now balance control between the physical buttons and the connected device. Press the on-ear volume up or down for instant changes. These override many host apps for immediate feedback. At the same time, make sure your phone or computer volume is not at zero. OS volume and app players combine with headphone gain. Once done, open the Beats app to select EQ presets or spatial audio so the perceived loudness matches tonal preferences. These settings change perceived volume without. You finish by testing playback across streaming, local files, and calls to confirm consistent volume. If levels feel capped or buttons aren't responding, reset the headphones. Hold power and volume down until LED resets, then repair. Make sure firmware is current in the Beats app and grant Bluetooth/media permissions on your device. If issues continue, check for device-level volume limiters or accessibility settings. One key troubleshooting step: reset and repair, fixes most control and volume sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.